हेलो बुलीज, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप आप सभी खुश होंगे और प्यार से रह रहे होंगे अपने अपने घरों में। So first of all, thank you so much for all the love and support that you gave me. In the previous video, we learned about the BFS traversal of the graph. In this video, we are going to cover the TFS traversal of the graph. So bullies, let's start with the concept now. In the previous video, we learned about BFS traversal. In this video, we are going to cover DFS traversal. First, let me tell you the full form of DFS. DFS stands for depth first search. Okay? And DFS follows the principle of stack, which is based on LIFO principle. That is last in, first out. Okay? So just like BFS, we can start the DFS traversal from any node until and unless it is not mentioned in the question. Okay? So suppose इस particular graph में हम A से start करते हैं अपना DFS traversal. Okay? Unlike BFS, we are going to cover just one node after A. Okay? So we will ask to A how many adjacent vertices of A are there which are unvisited. So A will say I have B, C and D as the adjacent vertices which are unvisited. Okay. So after A, we will go to any of the nodes. We are not going to cover all the nodes B, C or D. We can go either to B or to C or D. Okay. So A हम पहले mention कर लेंगे अपने final result में. Okay. Result में we'll write A and we'll push this A into the stack. Okay. This is our stack. Right? Okay. Since we have covered A, we will ask A how many adjacent nodes of A are there which are unvisited. So A will say you can either go to B or C or D. Suppose A के बाद हम B पे आते हैं, ठीक है? We'll ask the same question to B. How many adjacent nodes of B are there which are unvisited? So B will say I have just one node, that is E. Okay? So we'll write B in our final result and we'll push B into the final stack. Okay? अब B के बाद सिर्फ एक नोड है E, so we'll go to E. Okay? After visiting E, we will write E in our final result and we'll push E into the final stack. Okay? Now we are going to ask the same question to E. How many adjacent vertices of E are there which are unvisited? So E will say I have D and F as my unvisited node. B is already covered, right? So E के बाद हम either D के पास जा सकते हैं या फिर F के पास जा सकते हैं. Suppose हम E के बाद D पे जाते हैं. Okay? Suppose E के बाद हम D पे जाते हैं. ठीक है? तो D को हम अपना final result में mention कर लेंगे and we'll push D into the stack. Okay. After coming to D, we will ask D how many adjacent nodes of D are there which are still unvisited. So D will say I have C as my unvisited node and which is adjacent to D, right? So D का A भी node है, D का E भी एक adjacent node है, but A and D are already covered, right? So we'll go to C, okay? And we'll write C in our final result. We'll write C into the stack, okay? After going to C, we will ask the same question to C again. How many adjacent nodes of C are there which are still unvisited? So C will say, I have A and D as my adjacent node, but they are already covered, right? A and D, they are already covered. So अब इसके बाद कोई भी adjacent node बचा नहीं जो uncovered हो, right? So we are going to backtrack. So DFS traversal में भी backtrack अगर further कोई node present ना हो, right? So C के बाद हम backtrack करेंगे to D, okay? C के बाद backtrack करेंगे to D, मतलब C को हम pop कर देंगे अपने stack से, okay? We'll remove the C. अब D से हम same question पूछने वाले हैं, do you have any adjacent node which is unvisited? So D बोलेगा no, you have covered all the elements, that is A, C and E. They all are covered previously, right? So अब हम फिर से D से backtrack करेंगे to E, okay? And we remove this D from the stack, okay? We are going to backtrack to E, okay? Now Again, from me, we are going to ask the same question. Do you have any adjacent vertices which are still unvisited? E will say, yes, I have F, which is still unvisited. So, F के पास हम आएंगे. We'll write F in a final result, and we will also write F in the stack. Okay? अब F के पास आने के बाद we are going to ask the question कि do you have any adjacent vertices which are still unvisited? So F will say no. I don't have any other node which is still unvisited. So यहाँ से भी हम अब बैक ट्रैक करेंगे क्योंकि F के बाद कोई भी फर्दर नोड है नहीं, राइट? सो F के बाद हम दोबारा बैक ट्रैक करेंगे एंड विल कम बैक टू E. ओके, F को हम पॉप आउट कर देंगे, ठीक है? E से सेम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, डू यू हैव एनी एडजेसेंट वर्टिसेस व्हिच आर अनविजिटेड? So E will say no, I don't have any node which is still unvisited. So E के बाद हम वापस बैक ट्रैक करेंगे टू B, और बैक ट्रैक करने से पहले we'll pop this E out. ओके, B के पास जाएंगे, B से सेम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, do you have any unvisited node? Then B will say no, I don't have any node which is still not unvisited. So we'll pop this B out और हम बैक ट्रैक करेंगे A पे. A से सेम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, A will repeat the same thing कि no, I don't have any node which is still not visited. Okay, तो A के पास आने के बाद क्योंकि इसके फर्दर कोई नोड्स नहीं है which is not visited, so we'll pop this A out from the stack, and since now our stack is empty, this shows that we have got a final result. So this is your final DFS traversal. Okay, अब हम एक और क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. ओके, हाँ देखो, हम किसी भी नोड से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. सपोज हम 0 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0. ओके, 0 के एडजेसेंट नोड्स है 1 and 3. Either we can go with 1 or 3. सपोज हम 0 के बाद 1 आते हैं, उससे पहले we'll write 0 in the result. ठीक है, रिजल्ट में हम 0 लिख देते हैं, और स्टैक में भी we'll push 0. ओके, 0 पुश करने के बाद 0 के बाद we'll cover either 3 or 1. सपोज हम 1 पे आते हैं, तो हम 1 पे आए, we'll write 1 in a final result and we'll push 1 in the stack. Okay, 1 के बाद we can either go to 5 or 2 or 3. Okay, we won't go back to 0 क्योंकि वो बैक ट्रैक हो गया. बैक ट्रैक तभी करते हैं जब फर्दर नोड अवेलेबल ना हो. ओके, सो 1 के बाद either we can go to 2, 3 और 5. सपोज हम 3 पे जाते हैं, ठीक है, 1 के बाद हम 3 पे जाते हैं, we'll write 3 in a final result and we'll push 3 in a stack. Okay, अब 3 के बाद इसके एडजेसेंट नोड पे जाते हैं which is not visited, so either we can go to 2 या फिर 4. Okay, so 2 पे हम सपोज हम 2 पे जाते हैं. Okay, so 2 we will cover in a final result and we'll push 2 in a final stack. Okay, अब 2 के बाद we can either go to 4 and we can either go to 5, right? तो 2 के बाद सपोज I'll cover 4, हम 4 को कवर करते हैं. ठीक है, 4 को हम रिजल्ट में लिख देंगे एंड 4 को हम फाइनल स्टैक में भी डाल देंगे. Now we have come to 4. We'll ask the question, do you have any unvisited node which is adjacent to 4? The 4 will say yes, I have 6 as the adjacent node which is still unvisited. So 4 के बाद we will cover 6. ठीक है, हम फाइनल रिजल्ट में 6 लिख देंगे एंड 6 को स्टैक में डाल देंगे. ओके, अब 6 के बाद we'll ask to 6, do you have any adjacent node which is still unvisited? So 6 बोलेगा 1 is already covered, 4 is already covered, so now I don't have any node which is adjacent to me which is unvisited. So 6 के बाद क्योंकि कोई नोड प्रेजेंट नहीं है जो अनविजिटेड हो, so now we are going to backtrack. ठीक है, तो बैकट्रैक करेंगे, किधर करेंगे, 6 से 4 पे जाएंगे. ओके, क्योंकि 6 के पहले 4 है, तो we'll backtrack to 4. Okay, and we'll delete the 6 from the stack. Basically pop the 6 out from the stack. Okay, 6 को pop करने के बाद we have come to 4. Now we are going to ask the same question to 4. Do you have any adjacent node which is still unvisited? 4 बोलेगा you have covered 3, 2 and you have backtracked from 6. So I don't have any further node which is still unvisited. Okay, तो 4 को भी हम अब पॉप कर लेंगे एंड 4 से अब बैक ट्रैक करेंगे हम 2 तक, ठीक है। अब now we are going to ask the same question to 2. तो 2 बोलेगा yes I have 5 as my adjacent node which is still unvisited, right? So 2 के बाद we will cover 5. 2 के बाद हम 5 पे जाएंगे and we'll write 5, okay? And we will write 5 in the final result as well, ठीक है। अब देखो 5 के पास आने के बाद we will ask the same question, do you have any unvisited node which is adjacent to 5? तो 5 बोलेगा no, you have covered 2 and 1 which are adjacent to me, right? तो अब 5 से हम बैक ट्रैक करेंगे टू 2 क्योंकि 5 के बाद 2 है, right? So we'll backtrack to 2 and we'll pop this 5 out, okay? अब 2 से दोबारा पूछेंगे सेम क्वेश्चन कि do you have any unvisited node which is adjacent to you? तो 2 बोलेगा no, you have covered all the nodes which are adjacent to me. तो we will again remove this 2 and we'll backtrack to 3. We will backtrack to 3 क्योंकि 2 के बाद 3 है ना। अब 3 से हम सेम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, 3 बोलेगा no, you have covered all the nodes. तो there is no node which is unvisited, okay? So 3 को हम वापस से पॉप कर देंगे एंड पॉप करने के बाद we will backtrack to 1, okay? We'll ask the same question to 1. 1 फिर से बोलेगा कि यार आपने तो सारे एलिमेंट्स कवर कर लिए मेरे, okay? तो again we are going to pop this 1 out from the stack and 1 के बाद हम backtrack करेंगे 0 को, okay? 0 के पास आते हैं, पूछते हैं भैया आपके पास कोई नोड है जो अनविजिटेड है? तो 0 बोलेगा no, you have already covered all, right? तो 0 को भी हम pop out कर लेंगे from stack and since now you have got your stack to be empty, this is your final result, okay? This is your final DFS traversal. Let me tell you, ये one of the DFS traversals है, just like BFS, ये one of the DFS traversals है, okay? इसके बहुत सारे DFS traversals हो सकते हैं, okay? Suppose हम 0 के बाद हमने 1 लिखा, आप 0 के बाद 3 कवर कर सकते हो, 3 के बाद 2 कवर कर सकते हो and so on. So your DFS traversal can also start from 0 and followed by 3 and so on, okay? So this is also your answer and this is also your answer, okay? So one particular graph can have more than one DFS traversals. That is just up to you कि आप कहाँ से start कर रहे हो and किस node पे जा रहे हो, okay? Now I will give you one question as your homework. Try this question and write the answers in the comment section below, okay? Homework. So your homework is, you have got a graph which contains the node A, then B, and F, then C, okay, D, and E, okay?
तो पुलिस आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट। अगर आपको थोड़ी सी भी डाउट हो तो फील फ्री टू आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो। एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को। बाय।